Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
So today we will see all the steps for on-page SEO and we will see the steps for Instagram first. So this is our project and it is related with a restaurant. So it definitely it will related with those keywords which are with this type of keyword like food, restaurant, wings and those things. So the location is in the USA, so we will target our USA people. Now, if this is your content, if this is your flyer, if this is your post, then you need to add the hashtags over there on your title. Then we have added some of our order links and we have added our store address. Also, we have added contact informations and some social media's link as well. And lastly, we have added lots of hashtags. So these hashtags will rank your post. These hashtags are related with this restaurant, with this project. So this restaurant is related with with wings food. So we targeted the location America, USA, New York, and those things, and their address, their exact location, that is Manassas. And also we have added the wings, best wings USA, buffalo chicken wings USA, air fryer chicken wings, air fryer. These keywords we have collected from our rapid tags which are ranking, and we have added them here. And now, after that, you need to add all of them, as this is my post, so I am doing editing. For that, when you'll do your posting, you need to add your title, your description, and this is our description. We have added our order link and our address, those things, and social media link, also the high ranked hashtags. Now, I will copy whole things and going to this accessibility and just paste it, the whole things, paste it over there. Okay, so this is our first thing, and then you need to tag some of the people. You need to tag, click photo to tag people. You can tag some of the people whose followers are too much and which is ranking on Google. Those people you can target on USA, some popular people. Also, you can tag some of the company and some of the restaurant, some of the location as well. So let me show you that. For now I am tagging our location, and that is United States. So I'm taking this one. Let me take another one, and their location is in United States, Manassas. Let me see if it come or not. Okay. So here is this one. So we can add this one. They are suggesting our page. United States of America. Okay, so this is how you can tag people and them. And next, you need to click done. and this is how you can do on pages here for Instagram. You need to post your photo or post your flyer or post your video. This is how you need to add your title, and on title you need to add your high ranked hashtags. Also, if you have order link, if you have address, social media link, you can add them also. You need to add all the hashtags which are ranked up, and lastly you need to copy them and paste on that accessibility, and lastly you need to tag some of popular people and location, and based on your related keyword you can tag. So this is how you can do on pages SEO very easily. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification click the bell icon.